What's going on, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys with another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm actually going to be scoping out a potential ATM location. So make sure and stay tuned to the very end of this video, because I think you guys will find some secret tips and tricks that I use to land these ATM deals. All right, guys, so we just got to the location. Essentially, we're gonna walk in. We're gonna film as much as we can film. But I just wanna kind of like break down for you what it is that we look for when we're actually, going and landing a location, right? This is a particular location. It happens to be a bar. It is in a phenomenal location. It's actually in a, I wanna say like a little strip mall type of area. Maybe you guys will be able to see that, maybe you guys won't. It's off of a main road, so it's got a lot of foot traffic. It's 5 o'clock right now, and I mean, the place is packed. The place is packed. What that means is, obviously, driving by a main location, one, they have high foot traffic. Two, the time of day that I showed up, which happened to be 5 o'clock, they're packed, which means they have a lot of monthly regulars, I would say, because most people at 5 o'clock jolt here from their work. Therefore, this is something that's very interesting. Then I'm gonna look at how many employees, how many tables, how big is the bar, and I'm gonna ask the question because they actually inquired about actually getting an ATM from us. I'm gonna ask them, why did you inquire about getting an ATM from us? What is the purpose? What is the reasoning for having an ATM inside your bar? If you guys are not familiar, some of the reasons are, some of these bars actually have like arcade games inside of them, so they're all cash, right? You can't pay with a debit or credit card at these arcade games, and a lot of these bars make a lot of money with these arcade games. So that's a reason. A second reason is they only take tips in cash. I know a lot of locations and a lot of bars, depending on the bar, only take tips in cash. So I'm gonna ask them what they're inquiring about the ATM, about what their purpose or reasoning is for actually wanting an ATM. And they seemed they wanted it fairly quickly. It's Thursday today. I don't know when you guys are seeing this video, but on Friday is when I'm going to be installing the ATM here. Again, we're gonna kind of check it out. We're gonna see the goods, the pluses, the minuses. I'm gonna walk you through the place. I'm gonna try to get as much B-roll as I potentially can. And we'll see how this goes. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna look at. I'm looking at, how busy it is right now. I'm looking at the location of the actual business. A surcharge here, considering there's no other bar, there's just other restaurants, I'd probably say right around $350. $350 is gonna be the surcharge, but not always, right? I'm either gonna go $350 or I'm gonna go $295. So $295, absolutely. $350, 50-50, okay? So I'm gonna walk in there. We're gonna try to get as much B-roll as potentially possible. And then when we're done, I will share with you guys what my thoughts were on this location, why they wanted the ATM, and essentially what I think it's gonna do in average percentages of profits. So stay tuned for the very end of this video, guys. We'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a quick shout out really quick. Catching Flights Bar and Grill, absolute success, ladies and gentlemen. As you guys saw, K Lewis got some B-roll for you guys. This is going to be a phenomenal spot. Super good dude. His name is Sean. Sean, if you end up watching this video because it gets 1 million views, heck yeah, bro. He's a beast. He is a stud. I am definitely super excited for this spot. And not only this spot, but he's got 6 coffee shops, CBD coffee shops, that he's gonna be opening up in the next 4 to 6 months. So by the end of 2020, that's 6 more locations that I'm going to have, simply because of this relationship, simply because of how incredible this relationship's gonna be, because I'm gonna service this ATM unbelievably phenomenal. Let's get into Super Assist because it's hot as heck in Arizona, ladies and gentlemen. We'll continue this in here, guys. All right, guys, so we ended up walking out of the business, and as you know, our camera woman completely botched the audio. We might even throw that in here. Again, my goal goal is to upgrade our camera and get a little better audio, so you guys smashing the like button definitely lets us do that. She didn't botch it once, but she botched it twice. I'll let you guys do a little recap. We messed up the audio, so I just figured I'd come to you guys.
Oh no.
You're doing it again.
Oh no. Okay. Wait. Okay. No. Okay.
Here we go. However, walking out of Catching Flights Bar and Grill, an absolute insane, incredible location. I'm excited for this location. Right now I'm filming this video finding out that the audio is messed up. We actually did install on Friday that I had mentioned earlier in this video. You know, they needed it for arcade games. They did do all cash tips. So this ATM, I would expect, brutally and honestly, I would expect it to do anywhere from 250 to 300 transactions a month. We can even say on the lower side of things, 250 transactions a month. The surcharge we did agree on inside there. I know you guys didn't get a chance to take a look at that, but we did agree on $3.50 surcharge fee. So, you know, if you do the math, 250 times $3.50, that is right around $875 a month. His profit is going to be 35 cents a transaction, so minus 0.35 times 250. So now your overall profit is going to be $787.50. That's not including if you pay $1 a transaction to the loader. So if you pay $1 a transaction to the loader, you're sitting at right around $537.50 a month in profit from this ATM machine. Now, Sean, he's an absolute incredible guy. I was able to meet his partner when I was inside that store. I even tried the food, and that's kind of like a little hack too. So if you guys are getting a bar location or something like that, I always try the food. So I'll go there purposely out on lunch or something. I'll grab a beer, a Blue Moon or a Coors Light, and I'll have a beer, and then I'll also order some food, just to kind of like maybe even a starter, just to see how the food is at the restaurant or the bar. And ultimately that's going to allow me to know if people are going to continue to go there long term, if it's a place that people just like the vibe, do they just like the other people, do they actually enjoy the food. Again, I always enjoy going to a restaurant that I know my ATM is at. It gives me more of an incentive to go out of my house and actually eat at a restaurant. Now again, that's not something that you have to do. That's something that you can do. I'll be honest with you guys. I enjoy going to a restaurant and seeing somebody use my ATM as I'm eating my hot wings or my chicken wings while I'm drinking a nice Coors. I'll probably even post it on an Instagram story because it is funny and I do enjoy it. And I did just make $3 while I sat there and watched that whole thing happen. So they probably paid for, I don't know, a third of my meal. So again, I'm excited for this. I'll do another video. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys would like to do an updated video of us taking you to where we installed the machine, giving you guys an idea of where the profits are sitting at currently right now, and the whole nine. So again, if you guys are still here, I just want to say thank you guys so much for showing up to this video. We changed the camera, we put on some audio so that we didn't mess up this audio, but I just want to say I appreciate you guys. And if you guys are still here, I want to share with you guys, we are doing the A&A show. The A&A show is a show that you guys can actually go check out. The link is going to be in the description below. The A&A show, my partner and I actually started it. We interview incredible guests. We entertain incredible guests where you can actually go there and get a lot of value. So definitely make sure and check that out as well as our free ATM Facebook group. You can actually get that in the link in the description below. And again, as always, make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys are brand new here, make sure and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are growing at a rapid rate every single day, and it is incredible to see. So drop in the comment section below what you guys would like to see in future videos. Austin Lewis here saying, we'll see you guys in another video.